way too close to an airplane in terrifying video. Hey, if you own a drone, maybe don't fly it over an airplane filled with passengers? The FA is investigating a video that seems to show a drone's close call with a commercial airliner landing at McCarran International Airport near Las Vegas, according to the local CBS affiliate. See also, Dan Harmon reunited a lost drone with its pilot using the power of Twitter. Flying a drone near an airport is definitely not allowed by the FA. Neither is going above 400 feet. Here's a video of the incident shared online, from ABC News. FA investigating an apparent close call between a drone and a passenger plane over Nevada. The footage, shot by an unidentified drone operator, appears to show the plane flying directly below the drone. https://t.co/00pxtkdq3ypic.twitter.com/tugtkoi, ABC News, at ABC, February 2, 2018. Yes, that's pretty terrifying. The FA released a study last year comparing drones and birds of the same weight, and how they might affect an airplane during a mid-air collision. Surprise, the metal drones were capable of causing way more damage than birds, especially to a plane's windshield and wings. No one should be flying in a careless and reckless manner and, importantly, all drone and model aircraft pilots must stay well clear of manned aircraft. The Academy of Model Aeronautics, which represents hobbyists who fly drones, told GeekWire. We condemn the type of operation depicted in this video. Criminal penalties for flying unsafely can include fines up to $250,000 and/or 3 years in jail.